300,000.
Wow, he's right.
What, really?
Yeah. So please don't forget to press the subscribe button and nyalain loncengnya, press the bell.
Hello and welcome back to our channel, Devicharles. Today we are going to go over some treasures.
Yes.
That we got from Chichi. So your sister bought many things for us that we asked for, and instead of mailing them, Chichi flew over here to give it to us.
Yeah.
And her bags were very heavy.
Ya, jadi Chichi sahabat aku, inget nggak dengan video yang satu ini, yang ada di sebelah sana? Jadi Chichi itu kan mau datang ke Texas, mau datang ke kami, mau ngunjungin kami, cuman semalam doang gitu. Jadi aku minta tolong Anita, kakak aku dengan Alma, anak aku, untuk belanja Harta Karun dari Indonesia. Jadi bisa dibawa sama Chichi ke sini. Ini dia semuanya. This is very heavy, baby.
Yes, it's very heavy.
Berat sekali nih. Ini.
How many kilos?
Wow, this is more than 10 kilograms. Dan membuat kopernya Chichi overweight.
Yeah, maaf Chichi.
Maaf juga Chichi, tapi terima kasih juga Chichi sudah membawakan semua ini untuk kami. Kita mau buka ya harta karunnya apa aja.
Okay, so the first thing you got, I guess you asked for this, was subarashi.
Yes.
So, made in Japan. Can we open this now?
Yeah, okay, can open, of course. So this is like food supplement. It's from, kenapa jadi ngomongnya English? Ini jadi food supplement dari Jepang, dari placenta salmon untuk kesehatan, untuk stamina. So I bought this for us, especially for you and Adam, because you and Adam work so hard and need more supplement.
Okay. So this is the same. You put this under your tongue. Oh no, you
put
mix
under tongue.
With the
water. No, under
it
tongue.
It says the instructions.
Yeah, it can be. But,
it can be.
But good if you put under your tongue.
Okay. And how many are in here? There's.
Kelihatan saya nggak pakai kacamata.
Yeah, no, you can't read or see. I can barely see, and I definitely can't read this. There's a lot in here. Can I take one of these now?
Boleh, boleh.
Okay, take out the next. What's next?
This one is honestly, this is Chichi's gift from Chichi's. Gift from Chichi that we can put something here ya later on. Jadi ini adalah, ini buat lu katanya. Jadi ya ini Chichi yang kasih, terima kasih Chichi. Terus aku nitip kesukaannya Om Bule. Kopi.
Ah, coffee.
ABC.
ABC coffee is very good.
Yes. This is your favorite, right? Ya kan? Suka banget kan?
Kopi susu. Pretty cheap.
Yeah, very cheap.
Very cheap in Jakarta.
Yeah.
Every day, every morning, have one.
You know what? How much money did I spend only for kopi and everything? Unless this ya, this one is a different price ya. Ini emang harganya agak sedikit mahal, tapi memang berkhasiat banget. Dan untuk regenerasi sel. Kamu tahu, you know what? How much did I gave Anita for shopping this?
Maybe, hold on.
No, all of this.
Oh, all of this?
Yes, yes.
300,000.
Wow! He's right.
What, really?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Oh, how about that?
Yes, yes, about that amount. Wow, you Sparto guy.
That's good.
So, ini adalah kesukaan aku. Indo Cafe Coffee Mix. Anita, Alma, thank you so much udah belanjain ini semua. Jadi harta karunnya kita. Dan Chichi makasih banyak udah bawain ke Amerika. Aduh, Ci, kalau kamu nggak bawain ini, Ci, belanja ke Asian market seperti yang ada di video ini, tuh sebelah situ, itu mahal banget harganya, mahal. Okay,
yes,
so
mahal here.
The coffee.
Yes, more Indo coffee.
Yes. And
I don't know which one I like better. This one's more the darker. You like this one?
Yes.
It has the cream in it.
Yes.
This one's more dark and.
This is with the milk too. This is with the milk.
But I remember this one being a little bit darker than this one.
Yeah, darker and then lots of coffee powder.
So
this is no coffee.
More caffeine. Yes.
Pilus buat makan Indomie, guys. So, jadi this is really good for eating
Oh
Indomie.
yeah, yeah. The little these little things. These were really good.
Look what I have.
Fun to snack on.
Tuh, baby. Ayo lihatin. Tuh.
Oh.
Royco.
Rendang.
Ya. Rendang and Royco. Buat masak ya, guys. Aduh, alhamdulillah Cici dia mau lo bawain berat-berat ini. Itu.
More?
Yes, more.
More? Okay.
Yes, more Royco. In here expensive.
How much is it here?
I forgot, but check the video that in Asian market. The Karun.
Like $4, $5?
It's more.
And how much is this in Jakarta?
Maybe only I forgot, maybe 20,000.
Good.
Yeah. $1 something.
Yeah. $1.33 maybe.
Look, this is especially for you.
The avocado coffee. Yes. So here in the United States, we really love our coffee, but we do not have avocado coffee. It's just, I don't know why. Americans love coffee. Americans love avocados.
But they not produce.
But they don't mix it together. Maybe they're just not as.
Got an idea. You open a factory for avocado coffee in America. Must be a good business, right?
Maybe, but there's probably a reason why it doesn't sell, because it might be too weird. Might be too for American people. But we already have a business going, which is my Etsy store, Devi and Charles. So go to Etsy.com, search in Devi and Charles. We have many shirts. I just posted, made 6 shirts for the Ukraine war. Now, 50% of the profits for each of those shirts that are sold, I'm donating to Amnesty International. Or if Amnesty International doesn't work, maybe another charitable organization that sends money directly to the refugees in Ukraine and to help for their effort, because they're going through a lot with the missile strikes and the power outages. So things aren't doing very well in Ukraine, but it's getting better.
Oke, aku coba translate ya, baby ya. Kita punya toko namanya toko online namanya di etsy.com ya, baby. Jadi di situ kita memproduksi kaos, dia mendesain kaos, t-shirt. Di situ banyak desainnya, dan salah satunya adalah desain mengenai Ukraine.
Yes.
Oke, jadi tiap pembelian kaos Ukraine, Charles akan memberikan 50%-nya untuk disumbangkan untuk Ukraine gitu.
Alright, what else we got? Ooh, more avocado coffee.
Yes. And then this is from Chichi from Japan. So Chichi gave us this one.
Oh, okay. So this is from Japan. This is just a little case.
Yeah.
But it has the tatami matte weave on here. So I'm not sure if you see that.
Stiker ya. Stiker. Ini kue Jepang. Crackers. This is Japanese crackers. And we open again.
Even smells like Japan. And the crackers fit.
Aku mah nggak tahu ya wanginya Jepang kayak gimana.
Inside.
Okay. And we still have the lots of for cooking things, rendang, and we have another rendang and rawon.
So when Americans think of Indonesian food, they think of nasi goreng, satay, and that's really all they know. But then the next higher, more knowledgeable phase is the rendang.
Yes.
We love rendang here.
And this is, remember when we go to Asian market? How much is this, baby? Remember?
It's like
$6.99.
That's right. Yeah, I was gonna say $7, but yeah, it's $7.
$6.99. You know.
And how much is it back home?
Maybe like 26.000 rupiah, maybe ya, maybe around sekitar gitu nggak sih harganya kecap bango ini? Sekitar nggak nyampe 30.000 kan kalau nggak salah. Ya, maybe ya under 30,000 rupiah.
Yeah.
So like $2.
Yeah. So very good deal.
Yes, good deal. And we got these two.
Yes.
Adam already cut.
Ah, okay. Yes.
And ini dia yang agak susah dicari di sini. Tapi teman aku sempet dapetin tapi aku enggak. Kaldu jamur. This is like the mushroom broth.
Mushroom broth?
Yes. And this is really good, healthier, and nicer.
Okay. All I really know about is chicken broth and
beef
broth and bone broth.
Devi broth?
Devi broth.
And we got these two, Lipton.
Tea.
Tongji.
Tea.
Kenapa jadi Lipton ya? Tongji. This is my favorite. Kalau Lipton mah kesukaannya almarhum ibuku. Tongji buat ngeteh pagi-pagi. Di sini juga mahal, baby. This one.
This is expensive?
Yes, in here.
Oh, in here?
Yes.
How much is it here?
Yesterday Adam pointing it.
Uh-huh.
Why you afraid? Why you like that?
I'm just relaxed.
No, you afraid of me. Do I bow?
No, I don't think so. So the Tongji tea is, how much was it at the Carrollton Market?
I need to check. Okay. But this one.
So the price will be up here.
Enak aja di sebelah sana, bukan di sebelah sini.
We're up here.
Hah? Sini apa sana ya? Aku lupa. Ya, gitu. Dan ini dia yang sulit dicari, ini harta karun banget nih. Sebenarnya ada sih, tapi nggak segede gini juga dan harganya mahal. This is the like flour, but it's already with seasoning. This is very good for chicken.
Yeah, it's fried chicken. So, Chichi, this is heavy.
Yes.
This is maybe 750 grams. So we have this here.
Mahal, baby.
Okay.
Come on, you will agree with
Maaf,
me.
Chichi, maaf.
No, Chichi so happy. When Chichi so happy come here and shopping, right?
Yes, she was. Yes.
Just like in that video that seperti yang video yang sebelum ini nanti aku ada tulis di card ya. Yeah. Chichi seneng banget datang ke Amerika, begitu nyampe mendarat langsung belanja gila-gilaan. Jadi I'm very sure she will come back again.
Yes, I hope so.
And
how much did she spend when we went to the mall? It was like $1,000.
Yes, $1,000. Jangan lupa nonton videonya, ada di sebelah sini atau sebelah situ. Gimana Chichi sangat gila pergi ke mall di Amerika.
Right, and we got more.
Yes, pilus. Another one pilus.
Another one.
And another one pilus.
And another one.
So we have, how many we have?
4.
Chichi, throw away one.
Why?
Heavy.
Oh, it's heavy. Well, luckily these are not expensive in Jakarta. Here you cannot find them.
And we have these two. Ini adalah kesukaannya kami, apalagi Adam. Blibis like this. We saw the blibis, the sambal chili sauce in Carrollton Market, in Carrollton Plaza.
Yeah.
On the bottle, the price $4.99.
But it was a small bottle.
Many kind variety of the sambal blibis, $3.49, $4.99. So the price something like that. Ya sekitar segitulah harganya ya. And it's not in the refill. So this one, can you believe how much this one will be in Carrollton Plaza? I bet it's more than $6.
Oh, okay.
So this is because this is healthy and berat ya. Di sini ini berat banget. Isinya berapa nih? How many?
1 kilogram.
1 kilo guys. Jadi bayangin aja, pasti di sini mahal banget. Thanks to Chichi again.
Yes.
And we have another one that Chichi komplain. Jadi Chichi agak komplain nih karena aku nitip ini.
So we have butter in the United States.
Ya, tapi nggak kayak gini. Ini rasanya lain sayang. This is Indonesian butter and this is really ngangenin.
Yes. So this is the kind, if I remember right, you cut the end of it, you squeeze and you can.
Yes. This is really good.
Okay.
So that's all.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought there was more butter than this.
Maybe Chichi throw away outside the window of the plane.
Butter all over the Pacific Ocean. All right.
Aduh.
Well, that's our treasure from Indonesia. A lot of this stuff you can't get here in the United States. And if you do find it here in the United States, it's 4 or 5 times more expensive.
Mahal.
Yeah. Coffee? Found coffee, but in the Hong Kong market, but not like this.
Yeah, different.
And it was, they're about $7 or $8.
You know how much is this?
I'm gonna say 80,000 rupiah.
No, not at all. The last time.
For a bag this big.
Yes, last time I bought that. Last time, yeah, means like. Why every time I'm talking you like this, baby?
Because I can see you. Because
maybe
we're too mature, so we can't see up close.
Every time I talk, setiap kali aku ngomong dia mundur.
No, it's
apa
not
aku bau mulut ya? My mouth bau?
No.
Hah? Bau nggak?
No, my mouth is bowed because of this.
Okay, last time I bought that few years ago. It's like 30,000 something.
Wow, 30,000.
Yeah.
How much did I say? I said
80.
80?
I think 30,000 deh.
30,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. If this is cheaper in Indonesia, I want to know what the price is.
Yeah, berapa tuh guys? Indo Cafe Coffee Mix isi 30 ya?
Yeah.
What is
Let us,
30?
This is 30.
Yeah.
Yes, so there's 30. 30 kopi in here.
Yeah.
So how much is it?
Iya, berapa harganya ya? Tolong
Also,
cekin.
with this one.
Ya, ini juga berapa harganya di Indonesia? Aku lupa. Kopi susu ABC. I think it's 32 or 20. Maklum ya, sudah manula lihat.
I don't know. I gotta count them.
This is 20, I guess.
Okay. All right.
Oke, kita nggak tahu harganya, jadi minta tolong kalau kalian tahu tulis di komen. Terus untuk teman-teman yang baru datang ke channel kami ini, terima kasih sudah mengklik, sudah nonton sampai habis, dan jangan lupa untuk mensubscribe, oke? Karena masih banyak yang nonton video kami itu belum nge-subscribe channel kita. Jadi biar kita tambah semangat, we feel happy and more encourage us to make more videos.
Yes.
So please don't forget to press the subscribe button and nyalain loncengnya, press the bell ya, notification, so you will update about
when we post our videos.
Yes.
Which is usually around 10 o'clock in the morning.
No, 11 o'clock in the morning over there.
Okay.
We different now is winter, so
yeah.
we different 13 hours. Setiap jam 11 pagi ya di Indonesia. Okay.
All right. Well, thank you for watching, and take care of each other, take care of yourself, and check out our Etsy store. Dadah.
Dadah.
More about?
Pilus man.
Pilus. Oh yes, Pilus man.